What best piece of advice or practice could someone take when starting to create clickbaity thumbnails and titles? What do you think?
Okay, well, I definitely don't like advocate for clickbaiting necessarily, and I don't even clickbait really. That was like way back. That was like 2009. You can always watch what people do rather than like what they'll tell you to do. If you're like good, if you have a good eye, you can always like see how Mr. Beast is like doing stuff or like whatever. But I just use the good old how to do this, how to do that, like, and that's like long tail content. Having some Photoshop skills helps. Now YouTube is changing too. Like back in the days, it would be tags. And now if you look at the YouTube upload thing, they don't even have tags really. You have to click like advanced extra to put tabs. And they even tell you like tags don't really matter. Now YouTube's algorithm is getting good to the point where they can see what's in the thumbnail. If there's a human face in there, if it's smiling or whatever. I've had the opportunity to upload, like I said, like 700 videos, and that's like 700 attempts to see and measure what works. So I do kind of have a natural, like I know when Travis Scott puts out a new music video and I cover an effect from a Travis Scott music video and I put the title like Travis Scott sicko mode, like fire effect, and I have like Drake and Travis Scott in the thumbnail.
Right.
I know that's going to probably have a better chance to go more viral than like how to export or something. You have to try a lot of things at first, and you have to kind of think about the audience more than yourself a little bit, or at least half and half. It's super hard as a new YouTuber to just make a video in a vlog style and title it something like, we went to the concert, or like having fun at the something. Like you have to think, why would somebody want to search this up and watch it? So maybe if you put like Travis Scott like LA concert, whatever, like the name of some festival, July vlog, then people would actually go looking that up because other Travis Scott fans might want to like check out that show. And then if you have a good personality and you're funny, they might check out your other stuff. And
right.
If you build a catalog in this way with a lot of like seeds, it might work. Places on YouTube are different little mini communities, right? Like we have our little camera community and it's growing a lot. It's getting bigger, but there's also like the indie music community or like guitar playing community, or like there's so many different communities. And if you're a regular viewer of a certain kind of content, you kind of start to get an understanding of what that space on the internet needs or likes. And if you want to step up to the table and put your contribution out there, it helps if you've also been a part of that community for a while, because then you're like, all right, I've been in this like scene for a while. I think let me make a video about this new thing, this new technique. And I know I would watch it from someone else, and maybe someone else would watch it from me.
Right.
You know?
Thanks for listening to this clip. Make sure to listen to the full interview, which is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, and wherever else you listen to podcasts. Hit the subscribe button for more highlights and join our Black with No Cream private community for creators. Links in the description.